In this video, I'm going to discuss how much money you can make from merch by Amazon and how much I personally make from it so that you can see if it's worth it for you or not. Before I show you, I just want to mention something real quick. There's a lot of negativity surrounding anything to do with making money online. People think that they must make money online quickly and that everything is saturated, or if a particular business model is still worth it. If you're thinking like this, you definitely need to change your attitude because you got it all wrong. You will never make money online. In fact, you'll definitely lose money online if you fall victim to one of the get-rich-quick schemes. I get questions like, is merch by Amazon still worth it? Well, of course it is. Do you not see how much Amazon is growing and how much people like me are making from its growth? Duh. Some people say, well, you're making so much money now because you started in 2018. Wrong. I'm making more money than people that started in 2015. And there are people now starting in 2022 making more money than other people who started in 2016 or whatever. It's all about perspective, guys. You need to be positive. There's always a way to stand out and make money no matter when you start. Your job is to find it. Or some other people might say, merch by Amazon is so saturated now. Everything is saturated. Look around you. Your job is to find a gap to slot in and make money from it. If you go with the mindset that everything is saturated, you'll never find something that is not saturated and you'll never make money. There's always going to be competition. People that succeed are people that acknowledge that there's going to be competition and they navigate their way around competition to make money. That's the mindset you need to have. Now, how much money do I make from merch by Amazon? I'm going to show you my own individual results depending on the time and effort I put in it, the way I approached it, the application, etc. Results depend on each individual, but at least it should give you an idea. So this result was on my first month doing merch by Amazon. I made 25 sales and $100 in royalties in one day. So can you make $100 in one day on merch by Amazon in your first month? Absolutely. In my fifth month, I made 124 sales in one day. You can see the royalties are quite low. This is because I was focusing on tiering up. So then I was selling as cheap as possible so I can tier up quickly. Then in December 2018, exactly 12 months after I'd started merch by Amazon, I managed to make 351 sales in one day and $1,246 in royalties in one day. Recently, I've been making 2,000 sales, 3,000 sales in one day and sometimes $10,000 in royalties in one day. And for me, the sky is the limit, guys. And that's how I want you to think. Many people got inspired when they saw my screenshots and my sales being captured on live video. I know that if I could achieve these numbers, I could achieve way more if only I knew how to scale up. And now, as you guys can see, we're making 4-figure sales days and 5 to 6 figures in royalties in one day. So anything is possible, guys. And one of my best sales months was $107,000 in royalties in 1 month, as you can see from the email sent from Amazon. So the question is, can you make $100K in royalties in 1 month? It is possible, guys. For my skeptical friends out there, you might think these screenshots are fake, right? I'm going to show you live video from my Instagram stories showing my sales updating live. If this is not enough to convince you that it's real and that there's a huge potential in merch by Amazon, then you might have a problem. Hey you guys, I just want to show you something real quick. We're on 813 sales, $3,767. Absolutely killing it. Look, we haven't spent much on ads, like not even 10%. Oh my God, it's gone up. It's gone up, guys, while we're on live. Sales are refreshing live and you can see how they're going up. So you know that this platform is absolutely crushing it. Let me refresh for you guys. So I'm going to go up here. I'm going to go right here, click on refresh and see how much it's gone up by. Look, this is my mouse. Here it is. Here is the mouse. It's gone up by 8 from 825 to 833. There's my mouse, right? I'm going to go up again. I'm going to refresh to see if it's gone up at all. Refresh again. 833 it was. Let's see. 837, and I can keep going on and on and on. Guys, we're gonna absolutely crush it. Maybe we're gonna do like 2,000 sales today. We'll see. I don't know, but I'm really excited about today. I know a lot of Arabic speakers still watch this English channel. We're starting live training for merch by Amazon on Monday the 28th of March. It's gonna be exclusive training just for 100 people and Arabic speakers only. Sorry, English speakers, your turn will come. If you're interested, let let me know down in the comments. The training, guys, is going to be live over the span of 7 days, and each session will be at least 1 hour long. There will be questions and answers at the end of each lesson. We will have a forum where you can ask questions and I'll come in and answer, or any of the other students will be able to answer. It will be very interactive. It will be very collaborative. It will be amazing. It's a challenge to kickstart your Merch by Amazon business. I'm going to leave you a link down below in the description. It will have all of the details. It's definitely an experience not to miss out on. For those of you that don't have a Merch by Amazon account, or if you know someone that doesn't have a Merch by Amazon account and would like one, we've got a Merch by Amazon creation service where we can give you a working Merch by Amazon account already approved with your details. You can get the service down below in the description. I've also got you a crash course for Merch by Amazon, which you can get down below in the description, and also 200 plus niches, which you can download from the description as well. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell button so that you guys get the videos as soon as I upload them. Leave me a question in the comments. I'll see you in the next video.